this period, and we are observing the COVID protocol. You can see all of us, we are in our nose mask. And this celebration is to appreciate our health workers. Without them, we wouldn't have been able to overcome this COVID that came to stay with us. So today, we are just driving around town, watch a movie, and the next step is to go visit some hospitals and do some donations to them. Stay tuned, BMW Club at 3. We love you all. Bye 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 bro. ISSALINKOP.
Hi guys, so we are here with, please your name.
Kojo.
And
K-Crab.
So what is the agenda for today? Please enlighten us.
3rd anniversary, yo. BMW Club Ghana, 3rd anniversary.
Okay.
Parade.
It's the Trinity.
We're doing a parade down to Jamestown.
And then I think we'll do Manchagona, and then we'll do some fireworks as well.
Okay.
And from there to the Montgomery place for the movie.
Okay.
Lincoln. Even if we are only two among many, we shut down the place. This is F30 Geng. Take it or leave it.
ISSALINKOP!
And this is F30 Geng.
Right channel.
Yeah, that's fine. Even if we are only two, we shut down the place. Any day, anytime. Take it or leave it.
Man like Ellie.
BMW Club 3rd anniversary. 3 years. It's been 3 years. The squad. We're going to town.
Alright. See you. So guys, I'm here with Uncle Mo, our favorite uncle, the youngest member of the BMW Club. Please tell us a little bit about yourself and just enlighten us.
Okay, the name is Moses. I use the surname. I'm a BMW fan, a BMW spare parts store owner, a BMW garage owner, and a private pilot. I love to drive nice BMW cars. My first car was a BMW, and I believe my last car will be a BMW. Thank you.
Nice one.
ISSALINKOP. It's a fucking link up.
coming. We've had ups and downs, but thank God we're here today. And I see everyone's headlights on with all of the other supporting clubs, not just BMW. And can you guys do me a favor and turn your hazard lights on? I'd like to see all the hazard lights on as well, on all our vehicles and all the cars that are parked.
Give it to us.
Always ISSALINKOP. Check him out on Instagram, on YouTube, on Twitter, on WhatsApp. Go and watch his status and boy, get your party. It's always
Is that what?
ISSALINKOP.